My name is Lynn Wilken. I live in Ashkum, Illinois. I've grew up on the farm that I actually live on. Been farming for about 28 years now, I guess. We raise corn and soybeans mostly, a little bit of wheat occasionally, about half and half, about 2,400 acres, about 1,200 of each. Well, I was first introduced to crop insurance shortly after I started farming in 1988 when we had the first major drought, and then it was required, and I didn't really have that much acreage at that point. Dad still had most of the farm, and but then after that I've taken it every year since then because of that one-year disaster, and I figured out how important protection was against not having a crop, that it was possible. It also helps me market a little better because I don't have to worry exactly. I know there's a floor there, so I don't have to get real excited and maybe make some sales that I wouldn't normally make, because I know if when the market's real low and you're trying to wait for it to go up, and like now even I'm waiting for it to go up. If I didn't have insurance as a floor under me, then I might make some of those poor sales now rather than waiting for the market to go up when I'm pretty sure it will, and historically it usually does. It puts a floor underneath me. It doesn't provide me with a profit necessarily, but it protects my assets. Every year when I'm putting all my money out on the line, and I put it all out ahead of time, you pay for your cash rents, you pay for all your inputs, your fertilizer, your seed, all that's laying out there in the field growing. And if something were to wipe it out, you'd lose it all. I mean, we're at that much risk. So without insurance, at least I know that I can usually cover a good deal of my expenses, and it would allow me to at least come back again next year and try it again, which you hope that never happens. But worst case scenario is that if it does, I won't lose all I've worked for on my whole life. Well, I love to take care of the crops. I feel as though it's a blessing to be able to do that and to take care of what God's given us, and I feel as though that's kind of my purpose in life, taking care of the land. And of course we like operating the equipment and tilling the soil and just watching things grow.